big swings in oil due to this report. What about this idea that Russia won't be able to get the oil out if these sanctions are in place?
So that's what actually caused the market to rise the way it did earlier today. You pointed out correctly, we saw a big jump in prices first thing in the morning, and it was all because of this yet another round of sanctions by the EU to basically stop taking Russian crude, and this time it's seaborne materials. And I knew I realized the market was expecting this, but I think there's been a lot of back and forth. And so after a while, I guess when the EU members decided to get together, they flushed out whatever their disagreements were, and this is the round of sanctions they've come up with. So all that pointed out to was a tightening in supply, and that's what drove the market up earlier today.
There are these suggestions that OPEC Plus could return more supplies to the market faster than the current deal. So that would give some price relief to the likes of gasoline, diesel in particular. Is that a possibility at this point?
Well, yeah, to a certain extent. I think you're probably referring to the Wall Street Journal report that was highlighted earlier this afternoon. I think basically people are expecting possible other OPEC members maybe kind of allowing or being able to add more supply if this suggestion that Russia be exempted from their production agreement is accurate. It probably means that the other OPEC members can take over from that supply quota, and if they can add more supply to the market, it might just kind of provide some kind of relief to the market, both in terms of gasoline and diesel. I mean, remember that we are still in a supply-tight environment, so we don't know how much of this additional production will help to give that kind of relief we are looking forward to.